Come on.
There's zombies everywhere.
What is that? Bro.
That doesn't look like a chest.
Do you want to open it?
No.
Kind of open it.
My
What is that thing?
lightsaber has...
Juice.
It looks like there's a...
I don't trust that.
It looks like there's like a yellow box stitched up to his mouth. Or what is that thing? Let's just leave it alone. Or kill it? I don't know.
Try.
What if it's friendly?
Attack it.
I don't know.
Oh,
Zombies!
ow. Open it. Go ahead.
I want to open that. Zombie.
Come on.
I hate these zombies.
Let's leave. Come on.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
I don't want to be here.
I hate this graveyard place. Zombies?
Fish.
Zombies are real?
Fish.
They're... Oh my god. I don't need that.
What is that?
Remember we were here like a week ago?
I
The fire went
I
out.
hear big stomps.
Oh no, that goblin thing.
No, I don't think it's that goblin. It's much bigger. I heard it.
What?
It's gone.
What is it?
What is this? A broom?
We try to fly with it or something. What am I saying? Fly with it? We're just in this stupid world. Okay.
Ah! Ah!
What the? Stay away from my friend. Dirty.
I'm flying the broom. It's so weird.
Well, keep it.
I'm
Got
not
him.
flying. I'm just like, you know.
heck?
Whoa, a shotgun. Wait. What should I
Oh my
use?
god.
What should I keep? You know what? You already have an axe. I don't need it.
Yeah.
Right?
I found this.
I also have
I could use this. Okay, good.
I
We
don't
shot another hip slot.
think I want
I
it.
wish I-
I'm flying. I'm flying.
Are you sure you don't want it?
I'm flying.
Let me
away.
try.
It has like,
Oh, sorry.
it's like,
Oh my god.
there's a fish. Oh.
Hello?
Another lightsaber. Another axe. I need. Bro? Bro.
Oh my god, you got a lightsaber.
No, it's
Take
fine.
an axe. I'll take the witch broom. Actually, I can't take up. Yes. Okay.
Just drop the broom and I fly to heaven.
Yeah. What the?
Let's just leave this place.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Yeah, I'm so
Where's it?
tired.
Why is that broom just like?
You wanna go
Oh my
sleep somewhere? Or, let's go sleep.
Yes.
Up here.
What's in here?
Oh, a couch.
A
I could
couch?
seriously use this.
How do we never see this
Wait,
place?
someone just. Wait, let me just put that there. Put that there. And that. There we go.
Here, you can sleep on one of the parts of the couch.
Oh, I'll sleep in here. Okay.
Oh. There.
Good night.
Okay.
Wait a minute. It's not.
Even
dark.
night. What are we doing? Here.
It's so weird.
Okay. Do you want to try to find out what that place is?
Wait. We need a light source. All we have is blue light thing, and you have that. Okay, it's fine.
It's okay. Our lights is this.
Yeah, I'm scared. Oh.
What the heck is this place? Okay, I hate taking stairs right now, so. Ah! Oh no, we're gonna have to like.
Okay. Oh, there's two paths.
Oh.
There's that place. There's that place. Which way do you want to
Which
go?
one looks safer?
I think this one looks more safe.
Yeah.
There's more radio.
Oh, what the heck?
Frick, lump of grass. Elevator or that mysterious place?
Just get on the roof.
What the frick?
Maybe no.
Let's go here.
Let's go down here.
An elevator. Yes. I need one of those.
This is so sparkly.
Let's go.
I'm getting on the roof. Oh, we can't. It looks like it's metal or something.
Okay, yeah. Oh, this means I don't trust anymore. Want to go back there?
I don't think so. Maybe we can find someone.
I don't think that's someone's nice. Last time we saw somebody, they tried eating us.
Yeah, like all of the things we saw. Oh, I really want to get on this place roof.
Whoa.
My lightsaber. Stabbed.
Here, come on.
Just go.
You?
Oh,
So-
sorry.
Maybe the more evil is more kind.
Maybe.
Touch that. Oh,
Oh my God.
my eyes. Oh, that felt so much better.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Let's get out of here.
Wait a minute.
No bags or. What do
is
you mean?
this?
That's not fair. My things.
I have an idea.
We have to.
Stay here. Here, come. That was weird.
That thing just took my stuff.
Look for a key card or something.
Thank you, my stuff back.
Look for a key card or something.
Stupid thing.
Come.
Why don't we need a key
Come.
card to go through this stupid thing?
You do. I saw one. Come. I saw a key
No.
card. Come. I saw a key card. Come.
Where?
Is it here for you? Ow.
I have no clue how that happened.
Here.
What is this? I don't see anything. What's
Me neither.
this?
That's
Garbage?
dead body. I don't. Yeah, a key card.
Where did my stuff back without that thing?
I have
sucking
my
it
stuff.
in?
Since for me that machine was like not working. For some reason it's not working.
Hey, what's in here? Oh my God.
Oh, goodbye. I mean, it looks safe other than that machine.
Statue?
That wasn't
Okay.
working for some reason.
Huh?
More dead bodies.
Stupid statue that we saw a million times.
Here.
This thing.
Frick, we were just there. It says we need a key card.
Let's look in
Is
here.
it blood? Blood's not good. Okay, blood's not good. Blood is not good. There's no blood here. There's no dead body. Here,
You're
Here.
not taking my thing.
here.
How did you?
For me, it doesn't work. I don't know why. See, for me, it's broken. Come on,
Thank you.
to explore this mysterious broken office.
Let's get him.
Fuck, I'm so scared, bro.
I did not like that noise. Why is everything on? Look,
Wrong one. This one.
this one. It's this one.
Okay. There's uranium. Ow, 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 ow. Not good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Wait. There's codes here. P1.
Dog.
Wait, I see code. It says
Boom.
4627. That's weird. 4627. What?
4627.
Oh,
Is that a shredder?
I'm pretty sure. Wait, come on. I'm pretty sure it goes here.
4627.
Wait, I misclicked.
4627. Try
Wait.
that.
I'm just
Four.
short. Wait, I'm just short.
4.
Wait. 4.
4.
Oop, I misclicked. 4,
4.
6,
6.
2, 7. Yes! Oh, what the
my God.
frick?
I don't want to go to that thing.
I want to go this way, but it's blocked off.
What?
It needs like a wheel. A wheel or something.
Okay, so it's
I
find
guess
a wheel.
the only way is that way.
I'm gonna cut off that thing's eyes.
Go ahead. This thing is short.
I don't want to. What is this? Oh, what is happening to me?
Ow! Frick! Oh, not nice.
Oh,
Bro, get off!
oh,
Wash your eyes! Wash your eyes! Wash your eyes!
oh. Drake?
Wash your eyes.
I need to wash my eyes again. Before I get drunk or whatever, hypnotized.
Maybe here's just. Whoa, whoa. Hey, hey, hey! Goo goo gaga.
Wanna fight me?
Yeah, goo goo gaga.
I killed one.
Goo goo gaga.
A drink.
Drink.
Water? Drink, yeah. Don't step in that thing.
That's for sure.
A new eye just grew. I just killed an eye. And another one grew.
Ah!
Come on. Ugh.
Do you wanna go this
Ow.
way?
I hate this stuff.
I saw something. I saw something. Ow.
Sorry.
Pause. Part 2. Part 3.